So let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to draw alphabet A. So as much as wide you can draw the alphabet A, or you can say alphabet V upside down. And in the middle we are going to draw this line. So this is going to be our guideline. And from here I'm going to do plus sign now. Now a little bit from this side I'm going to draw circle. The other circle is going to be little bit behind of this one and little bit smaller. Over here I'm going to draw the eyebrow, curvy triangular shape, and in the middle of this one I'm going to draw circle. Here I'm going to draw two circles like this and one like this. This is going to be really dark. And this area I'm going to shade later. Now over here we can draw a straight line, and under these eyes I'm going to draw a little bit mark here. From here I'm going to draw arch, and this one I will pull it little bit more, almost like this size. You can pull a line, so little bit less. And from here again I'm going to do arch. Now from here I will do two lines and very light line, guideline, and you can draw kind of like a rocks style. These are going to be the teeth. From here to this one, from here I'm going to draw kind of like a drop shape. From here to here, smiley or curvy line. From here to here, curvy line. Now I'm going to erase this line over here and this one. Now the top part I'm going to fix it little bit here, so we can draw some wiggly line. Here I'm going to draw one smiley face. From here curve. From here I will curve smaller than this one, and from here I will do arch, and from arch I will do alphabet S. Now again I will do the same thing but little bit smaller, and when I'm reaching on the bottom I will touch the first one. I can do one more inside, and this one will go around the fire. I will make it more straight and then I will turn, and I can make this one longer. Now from here I will turn this one little bit and I will curve this one little bit. I can make it little bit longer. Now from here, almost a straight line, but this side they will be curvy. So I erase this line and make it a little bit smaller. And now I'm going to do some drops here and there. So like this one and this one, maybe one big one here, and some strokes like this one and the other one here curvy, maybe one small one here, maybe here too. Now the tongue will be here like a half heart shape. I already traced everything, so you can use marker, pencil, sharpie, whatever you want to. And now I'm coloring this one black. On this area I'm going to shade with the pencil.